No matter how big or small your pool, spa, or water feature are, proper maintenance boils down to three things: filtration, circulation, and water chemistry. Hey guys, it's Josh Mall, the voice for Swimming Pool Science, and I want to tell you about a new product we're offering, Pool School 101. For the price of about a month of pool service, we are going to come out to your house, work with you, tailor a plan for your pool to get you on track for you to take care of it yourself so that you understand all the key features and what it takes to keep your pool in good shape from summer through winter and everything in between. And if you're outside the Phoenix metro area, don't worry. We offer virtual Pool School 101 at a reduced rate. We'll work with you via Skype, FaceTime, or just over the phone, or even via email. And then we're also going to put you in touch with a trusted pool professional in your area, whether you're all the way up in New England or in the Northwest or just up in Flagstaff. So give us a call today at 602-456-5545. You can also email us at swimmingpoolscience@hotmail.com or check us out on Facebook. Hope to hear from you soon, guys. That's Pool School 101.